Well, after the work we did the other day, we were going to take this guy out for a ride, bring you all with us. But of course we have, as you can tell in the microphone, 90-mile-an-hour winds down here as usual at Cape Fear. So we're going to have to move on to another project, more race boat orientated. And this is a upcoming event. We still have this little race boat over here coming up. We do have which does have a racing pedigree, 1959 Biesmeyer 4-point hydro drag boat, one of only 5 or 6 made, and one of them set a world record in 1961 or 62 at the Long Beach Nationals, and nobody knows which one it actually is. And our boat actually has some of the colors, even though it was really hard after we found it in the weeds in Pennsylvania to figure out which one it was. But it's only one of 2 that is actually still on the water today. The other one's actually in Arizona. But that's a future episode coming up real soon, real soon. So after our 3 cans of cold galvanizing compound, it's time to move over to the flat black here, and I've got more in the cabinet. We did flat black. Unless it's going to be galvanized, it's just something I want, something from a Home Depot or a Lowe's, and flat black is easy to find always, so it makes it easy to work with. And I tell you, I've used so much of this stuff over the years, I probably should have, wait a second, I did invest in it. No endorsement here, lifers, but RPM's been a great stock over the years, that's for sure. And they say invest in what you know. So invest at your own risk. Disclaimer, disclaimer. But like I said, I've had good luck with them. They pay a decent dividend if you're interested. And as I said, I use Rust-Oleum compound, Rust-Oleum paints. Home Depot carries Rust-Oleum, so you know they got a decent contract. It's definitely a good product to invest in. But before paint, I do need to blow some of this crap out of here. And no, I'm not worried about iron going in the yard. We used to have Bethlehem steel half-mile across the river, so I don't think we're going to add anything to the soil that's already hasn't been added for 100 years. And iron's good for you, like we said. So besides finding just the cracked tires, which all 4 of them are, we also found that our front roller is bent for some reason. And that one over there is a little cocked, which ain't hard to fix. And that may have been cocked because of that one was bent and it didn't land right. Along with the front beam that we may need to replace. From what I understand, the trailer was actually white at one time. Could you imagine the rust strips on a white trailer? It would be insane. It would be pink in a year. Now that put a dent in our stash. I'm gonna have to start loading up every time I go to depot. I pick up a couple cans, and that way it doesn't hurt so bad when a day like this comes. But wow, 7, 8, 9, 10 cans at $5 a can. That's a whole lot cheaper than having it galvanized. He's back in black. Fenders need a little help yet. It'll stay a little blotchy for a couple rainstorms, but it'll go away. And on top of that, I probably need to come by and hit a couple spots I missed anyway. Right now, I'm going to get some measurements on this beam here. It's time to start pricing. Unless there's a trailer guy out there who wants to like donate a galvanized C trailer of some kind, that'd be awesome. But that only happens to people that already have enough money that they can already buy stuff like that for some reason. It's 4 inches tall by 2 inches wide. And it's looking like 7 feet 6 inches long. And that's under 8 feet. 7 feet 6, that's under 8 feet. There may be some oak in this whole deal. Alright, lifers, our load tester came in. Let's do an unboxing of this Cen-tech that we got. Yeah. Apparently passed, so let's see what we get that's inside. Oh, looks like we have a tester, some bubble wrap, and an owner's manual. That was pretty simple. You put your leads on your battery, you hit your switch for less than 10 seconds, you release. They'll show you on which system you have. 12 volt, 6 volt, don't matter. Looks like you store it like that. These clip onto the side here. Looks like you can hang it. And pretty simple to use. Can't wait to put it to the test. It's going to be a nice addition to Shantytown. No more guessing on batteries. But there's our unboxing. Hey, wow. That was exciting. Well, lifers, I intended to continue on with a little trailer project here, but went in and wiped my face off, and by the time I came back outside, it was already raining. Everything's all nice and beautifully wet. So I think I'm going to call it an end here. Yeah, this one's going to be a little short, but what can I do? As I said, I'm a slave to the weather. And again, I hope you hit that like button down there. We really need the likes, and we really need subscribers. I mean, I want to get to 400 before the year's out, and it's not really hard if you can just get a little vibe going, little talk, little jibber jabber about the whole race boat life thing here. It's real life. It's real life. It's not just like I said, we're not asses and boobs and techno music. God, I hate the techno music. How did they ever make that crap? You had to be on ecstasy to actually enjoy something like that. Which, wow. So with that done, we do get to mark the trailer repainting off. We've still got the roller issue, we still got brakes adjustment, and that's, sadly, I think we now actually added a second list. And it's the trailer tongue beam replacement and 4 tires. Always something to do. Wow. So, again, please like and subscribe. We'd appreciate that. And y'all have a great day. And we'll be back at it again. as soon as it dries up, which should be tomorrow. So, see ya. No endorsements here, buddies. No endorsements here, friends. Yeah, let's do that again. No endorsement here, lifers. Yeah. It's just that simple. Bet you didn't think it was going to be that simple, did you?